Iran has just sent a warning to Washington. No, not through whispers, not through the back channels here, but through a formal letter to the United Nations, addressed to Antonio, the Secretary General of the United Nations. The message? If the US makes a military move, Iran will respond, and it will respond decisively. You're watching Times XP. It's me, Thriti Atri, and let that sink in. This is not a press leak, not a television interview. It is an official communication to the world body. Though Iran says it does not want war, but it also says that it is ready for one. And here's where it gets more serious. Tehran warned that any American misadventure, any strike, any attack, any aggressive action, it will not go unanswered. In fact, Iran says that it will consider all bases, facilities, assets of what it calls the hostile force in the region as legitimate targets. Yes, not one base, not even two, all of them. Now ask yourself, what does that mean in practical terms? It means that the US military installation across the Middle East, air bases, naval facilities, strategic outposts, all potentially in the line of fire. And why now? Because tensions has been rising steadily. US President Mr. Donald Trump recently hinted that if Iran refuses to strike a deal, America has options. He mentioned strategic locations, the Diego Garcia base, a very powerful US military hub in the Indian Ocean, and RAF Fairford in the United Kingdom, known for hosting American bombers. These are not any casual names, these are serious military platforms, and Tehran noticed. Iran says that such rhetoric signals a real risk of military aggression here. Now that phrase alone tells you how tense this moment really is. Diplomacy is still alive but barely. Talks continue, signals are being exchanged, deals are being discussed. But at the very same time, warships are moving, missiles are being tested, forces are being repositioned. Just days ago, Iran conducted joint naval drill with Russia, right? Also not in a quiet bay, but in a Gulf of Oman and the Indian Ocean. These are strategic waters and crucial routes. It's a visible show of strength because when you drill with global powers like Russia, you are sending a message here. This is the balance right now, ladies and gentlemen. On one side, warnings of decisive retaliation. On the other, hints of strategic strike. Both the sides say that they do not want war, but both the sides are preparing for the possibility here.